Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics Part 1 Standard 10th Topic Probability Part 1 Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 5 Probability. In this video we will learn Introduction, Random Experiments, Outcome and Equally Outcome, Practice Set 5.1, Sample Space, Examples of Sample Space and Practice Set 5.2. Let's see what is random experiment. An experiment in which all the possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with certainty is called a random experiment. Following are some examples of random experiment: tossing a coin, throwing a dice, drawing a card from a well shuffled pack of cards, etc. Outcome. The result of the random experiment is called an outcome. Tossing a coin, we have two possible outcomes, head or tail. Throwing a die, we have six possible outcomes, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Equally likely outcome. A given number of outcomes are said to be equally likely if none of them is expected to occur in preference to the other. Example, when we toss a coin, the head or tail is the equally likely outcome. Practice set 5.1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? First, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in the summer vacation: Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandwan. So the answer is Vanita can visit any of the 8 places in Maharashtra. Therefore, she has 8 possibilities. Let's see question number 2. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly. Answer: there are 7 days in a week. Therefore, there are 7 possibilities of selecting any one day randomly. Third, select one card from the pack of 52 cards. Answer: there are 52 cards. Therefore, there are 52 possibilities of selecting any one card. Question 4. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select any card randomly. Answer: there are 11 numbers from 10 to 20 written on the cards. Therefore, there are 11 possibilities of selecting any one card randomly. Now let's see what is sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called a sample space. A sample space is denoted by S or omega. The number of elements in the sample space is denoted by n of S. The sample space is called a finite sample space if n of S is finite. Let's see the examples of sample space. First, the random experiment is one coin is tossed. So S is equals to H comma T. N of S is equals to 2. Second, two coins are tossed. S is equals to HH, HT, TH, TT. Therefore, N of S is equals to 4. Third, three coins are tossed. So S is equals to HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH and TTT. Therefore, N of S is equals to 8. Fourth, a die is thrown. So S is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, N of S is equals to 6. Fifth, two dice are thrown. So S is equals to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Therefore, n of s is equal to 36. Sixth, a card is drawn from a pack bearing numbers from 1 to 25. So s is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 25. Therefore, n of s is equal to 25. Seventh, a card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Now here we can see there are four types of card. First is diamond, second is spade, third is heart, fourth is club. All are having ace card. All are having numbered cards from 2 to 10. All are having face cards like jack, queen and king. Therefore, n of s is equal to 52. Let's see practice set 5.2. Question 1. For each of the following experiments, write sample space S and number of sample points n of S. First, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Answer: when one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously, therefore S is equals to H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Therefore n of S is equal to 12. Second, two-digit numbers are formed using digit 2, 3 and 5 without repeating the digit. Answer: when two-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating the digits, therefore S is equal to 23, 25, 32, 35, 52, 53. Therefore n of S is equal to 6. Question 2. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. Here you can see a disc. There are colors and one arrow is also there. So there are 6 colors in the disc. The arrow can stop on any of the color. Therefore S is equal to red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple. Therefore n of S is equal to 6. Question 3. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is multiple of 5. So here, first we will find the multiples of 5, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Multiples of 5 are dates 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Therefore, S is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6. Question 4. Form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys B1, B2 and 2 girls from G1, G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Committee of 2 boys, that is B1, B2. Committee of 2 girls, that is G1, G2. Committee of 1 boy and 1 girl is B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1 and B2, G2. Therefore, sample space is B1, B2, B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1, B2, G2 and G1, G2. Thank you.